Assalamualaikum to all of you parents and students out there. I'm Hidayah from Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. How short or how many days left do we have to PSLE Math? It's about 73 days left to PSLE Math exam, which is in end of September. So for those of you who are watching today, right now, this is called PSLE Math FB Live Tutorial Series, okay, where I am going to share with all of you for free, completely free, all the must-know PSLE Math concepts, all the 25 must-know PSLE Math concepts which your child need to know, master and apply to for their paper 2 math exam. Okay, what is paper 2? Problem sums. Alright, as easy as that. But our students, our children out there, they are struggling in their problem sums itself. So here I am trying to help you as a parent to try to coach your child at home. And for the students out there, if you're watching, use this video to help you during your revision. Okay, if you have any inquiries or any questions, you can just PM me or SMS me at that number, or you can just leave some comments in my video below. Alright, okay, so today before I begin, as usual, can we like, love, share this video so that other parents can benefit as well. If you are unable to watch this video at this moment, no worries, get home later and then play back my video from the start, and then you can do your revision and guide your children from home as well. Okay, alright, so this question has been posted a few days back, okay, and I'm sure that all of you have tried this question. If you have tried and you want to check your answers with mine, why not? Let's get ready and watch this video. Okay, before we begin any question, before we solve any question, we have to read the question once through. What is that for? Is to find out or identify the keywords in the question. Let's try this question now. Okay, this is two variable concept question and it's a must-know concept for PSLE. Yulin spent 1/5 of her money to buy 6 books. She spent 1/4 of the remaining money to buy another 2 books and 6 files. If she spent all of her money on files, how many files could she buy? Some of you might think, oh, very easy, chicken feed. I know how to teach my child, okay? Yes, you may find it easy, but some students, they are struggling with this kind of question, and this question or this concept will come out for PSLE. Good for the P4, P5, P6 level. So if your child is at this level, why not come and try this question, okay? So let's identify the keyword here. For what I already listed down, the keywords are actually Yulin spent 1/5 of her money to buy 6 books. This is what she bought, okay? Then she spent some more, 1/4 of her remaining money to buy another 2 books and 6 files. For those of you who are online, please like, love, share this video so that other parents and students can benefit as well. Okay, if she spent all of her money on files, how many files could she buy? Keyword here is if, a very, very big keyword there. Okay, so usually when I have this kind of question and the keyword that tells me what to do first is this word, remaining. Usually when I have this word remaining, I'll tell my students to ensure that they know what is the remainder from the first line. Okay, so let's go to the first line. Yulin spent 1/5 of her money to buy 6 books. So we identify remaining already. And then we know that the remainder is the leftover from what she spent. What do we do next? I'm going to use the model method here, okay, to solve, to show you how much is the remainder, okay? So we're going to draw the model. Let me start here. How many parts must I draw? Always refer to the denominator. Again, for fraction, in its simplest form, is already in its units form. So 1 unit is spent, 5 unit is my total. Okay? Alright? So I'm going to divide this into 5 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So try to make it as equal as possible. I have 5 parts already. So Yulin spent 1 unit. So this 1 unit is shared, and this is spent on 6 books. So I'm going to write here 6 books. Okay, this is spent on 6 books. Alright, so where's my remainder? You can see here, this is my remainder. Okay, so we are good with your first sentence. We know how much we spent and we know the remainder. Then 1/4 of her remaining money. So we concentrate on the remainder. How many units are there? How many parts are there? There are 4 units and 1 unit. This is my total now. So can we see that there are remainder of 4 units or 4 parts? Okay. Then I spent or she spent 1 out of the 4 on 2 books and 6 files. So this one is 2 books plus 6 files. Okay. So from this model, if you are sharp enough, you can see that this is actually equal to this. This is 1 part or 1 unit equal to this 1 part or 1 unit. Alright? So, number 2, identify the two variables. This question is comparing. We are comparing between the books and the file. So, we know that we're going to compare this and this. Okay, we have identified already. So, I can take this and take this. Now, let's establish the link between these two to get the equation. Okay, so here, 1 unit is 6 books. Here, 1 unit is 2 books plus 6 files. So, if I were to write it out, this is actually 6 books is equal to 2 books plus 6 files. Okay, alright. Now, for the next one, alright, they say if she spent all her money on files. So this question, they don't stop there. Alright, they tell you that what if she spent all her money on files? Means everything she want to buy files. Everything. Means I don't want to buy books anymore. I would just want to buy files only. Okay. So what do we do here? I need to identify how much is 1 file. Okay, or maybe how many units is 1 file. Before that, I must find out how many books is 1 file. Okay, which is this. Find out how many is 1 book equal to. How many files does 1 book equal to? Right, so here what you're going to do is you're going to take 6 books. Then these 2 books you bring over to the other side. Become minus 2 books equals to 6 files. Alright. If your child don't understand this, means I'm actually comparing 6 books and these 2 books plus 6 files. So if I'm comparing, means I'm going to find the difference between this. So once I find the difference, this is actually 4 books equal to 6 files. I want to focus on finding 1 book first. 1 book is 6 divided by 4 files. This will give me 1.5 files. Now, if you focus on this part here, this model or this unit that we shaded already mentioned that she spent 1/5 of money to buy 6 books, which means 1 unit here is 6 books. So to find this 1 unit, what do? I need to find 6 books first. Okay, so 6 books is equal to 1.5 times 6. That will give me 9 files. Okay, now I know that this 1 unit is equal to 9 files. I want to know if she spent all her money on files only, okay, how many files did she buy? So I bring over this information to the other side. Okay, which means 1 unit is 9 files. 1 unit is 9 files. I want to know how many units if I buy everything files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units is 9 times 5 equal to 45 files. This is my answer. So Did your child get the same answer as mine? Okay. Did you get the same answer as mine? Please remember that for any problem sum, it's not about getting the answer. It's about how your child get the answer. Whether your child understands the question, knows how to pick out the keywords, knows how to link the keyword to the right concept. In this case, this is two variable concept because we are comparing this one unit with this one unit of two different variables. Okay? Right? And whether your child is able to show all the steps correctly leading to the answer. Alright? Okay, so I hope your child is able to do this question. I hope that you parents can try out this question at home when you're back from work today, definitely. Alright, and then try out and see whether you can get the same answer as mine. But parents, if you're worried because PSLE is coming, 73 more days to PSLE Math exam, okay, specifically. But if you're worried your child is still struggling in math and do not know what else to do, why not come and join any one of my classes? I have my Speed PSLE class, alright? This is to cover the paper 1 and paper 2 concepts, okay? Flexible timing, alright? Limit minimum to 2 classes per student, means a minimum of 2 classes if you want to join, okay? Then I'm going to have my PSLE Intensive Math Mastery. This is our very sought after, very popular PSLE program year after year. Alright, we're going to start this August to September, consecutive 6 to 7 Sundays. I'm about to give out all the details and the schedule tonight. Alright, what I'm going to cover is the core PSLE Math topics plus the problem sums concept behind this topic, which is specifically for the paper 2 PSLE Math exam paper. If the child is still struggling in problem sums, then that is the choice for your child. Okay, you should try out PSLE Intensive Math Mastery, where I have students from U grade transforming to a minimum of C and even a B grader for the past few years. If you want your child to score for math, pass their math, come and WhatsApp me or SMS me at this number. Ask me questions about how I can help your child. Okay, I'm sure I'm able to help, inshallah. But for now, let's try out this question and see whether you are able to get the answer, whether your child is able to get the answer as well. Okay, so this is one of the must-know PSLE Math concept. So for those of you who have just joined in, alright, I'm almost done with the video. Why not, when I finish the video, please like, love, share this video, and then please also remember to try out this question. And if you have any queries, any question, anything about my programs, just WhatsApp and SMS me at 91098564. Okay, so this has been Hidayah from Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. 73 days to PSLE Math exam. And now, no time to lose. Okay, I would like to hear from all of you soon, right? WhatsApp or SMS me at 91098564. Goodbye and have a great evening, everyone. Bye.